how to list your home in 30 days. It's spring market, so we're going to give you some tips on how to list your home. But before we get to that, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos.
Week 1, get a handle on your items in your house. Take an inventory and see what you want to keep, what you would like to donate, and what you would just like to put in the trash. Figure out if you want to rent a storage space and find that space right away and get it rented. So you can start putting things there and start to figure out what you're going to sell and how that's going to happen.
Week number 2, you should have plenty of empty boxes in your house. And so start packing and putting the boxes aside to take to your storage space. Also, arrange for pickup of donations if you have any, and consider selling things that you want to sell in garage sales or online. And finally, find yourself a great realtor.
Week number 3, make repairs. Your house should be emptier now, so walk around, see what needs to be repaired. Make a list of things, arrange for a handyman if you cannot do it on your own. Make sure that your systems have been serviced prior to the house going on the market.
Week number 4, spruce up the landscaping front and back of your home. Also have your home professionally deep cleaned. Your realtor will arrange for professional photography and get keys made.
30 days goes really fast, so make sure that you're on it every single day if you truly want to get your house on the market in 30 days.
If you don't want to miss the spring market. Right.
Yes. We're the McLoughlin and Sommer team, your trusted realtors in Loudoun County. You can reach us at McLoughlin and Sommer.realtor. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos.